Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off notification history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications and here select advanced settings and here click on notification history and turn on this button notification history. Already it is turned on in my phone. If it is turned off, then you have to turn on this button to show notification history. Now once you turn off this button, notification history will not be showing again if you turn on this button. Okay, so here no recent notifications are showing because I have turned off notification history first time, then I turn on notification history, and hereafter if you receive any notification, that history will be available. Okay, notification history will be deleted if you turn off notification history immediately, and then if you turn on notification history, again notification history will be receiving hereafter. That is after turning on your notification history. So if you receive any notifications from any app or any services, that will be recorded there. Okay, in this way you can easily turn on or turn off notification history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.